Surface energy and angle of contact. Surface energy is defined as the amount of work done in increasing the surface area of its surface film by unity. Surface energy is equal to work done divided by increase in area. Its SI unit is joule per meter square. Consider a surface film of surface tension T. F is the external force applied on the wire AB in the outward direction so as to increase the surface area of the film. Then the surface energy of the film is given by. We know that S is equal to W upon delta A. This gives the result of S is equal to T. This shows that the surface energy of a liquid is numerically equal to the surface tension of the liquid. The angle of contact between a solid surface and a liquid is defined as the angle made by the tangent drawn to the free surface of the liquid at the point of contact with the solid surface in contact with liquid. It is represented by theta and depends on cleanliness of the solid surface, nature of the solid surface and liquid, and medium above the free surface.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.